a cool long time ago. Tell me baby you comfortable, looking good, let me know you more. Yeah, kinda hoping you're with me, playing it safe, you know low-key, tryna have you next to me, babe, tryna stay right next to you, mommy you know I'm feeling you, hoping that she's into me. Just wanna please you, wanna please you, but Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Just wanna please you, mommy let me show you, mommy let me show you. I know you haven't really known me, you're my girl, we can take it slowly. It's our show, we're writing our story, let's make this song. She didn't really get down, she bout it. She really doing her thing, I'm vibing. Yeah, yeah, no mystery, she on me. Hit me any time of day you're gone. I'ma show you the world. But ain't no one way to meet, yeah. You know I can't wait to see, yeah. Calling off, you know I'll be there. All on this beach, you gon' see us. You're gonna hop the club, you next to me, you know I'm good. Baby, don't that sound so nice? Just wanna please you, but Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Just wanna please you, mommy let me show you, mommy let me show you. I know you haven't really known me, you're my girl, we can take it slowly. It's our show, we're writing our story, let's make this song.
Straight to the top. When I say go, you say how low and show me what you got.
a dream? Why am I wishing that you were there? Is it a nightmare? It's like I'm trying to get back to something that I've lost. Oh, you have shown me there are places you can never go back to. Are you still there? How can I show that appreciate? What is that you were doing? What is that you were feeling? Your faces that I've never seen. How can you hurt me? Time goes by, but you were still on my mind. Who said time will heal? Who said time will ease the pain? Time goes by, but am I still on your mind? Bitterness that I feel is tasting like a lemonade. Sadness that we shared, struggles that we overcame, made it all worth it. You were still the light of my heart. Was in a dream, fell in love more than I thought I could. It's hard to breathe when I think of the way we loved each other. Feels like illusion. I felt so close that we were forever inseparable. Never say never, but what we had was unforgettable. What is that you were doing? What is that you were feeling? Your faces that I've never seen. How can you hurt me? Time goes by, but you were still on my mind. Who said time will heal? Who said time will ease the pain? What do they know? Time goes by, but am I still on your mind? Bitterness that I feel is tasting like a lemonade. Time goes by, but you were still on my mind. Who said time will heal? Who said time will ease the pain? What do they know? Time goes by, but am I still on your mind? Bitterness that I feel is tasting like a lemonade.
Would you even be with me if it's so out of your way? Would you spend your time with me, building a life every day? I could be everything you wanted, I don't mind. No, is it worth it? I want you to tell me every time. The water's cold, I wish I'd known this road isn't the easiest. I wanna know what you told in your mind when you're standing by my side. We could be easily anywhere in the world this time. We could be anything we ever wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we you told in your mind when you're standing by my side. We could be easily anywhere in the world this time. We could be anything we ever wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we even not wanna even try when I could be everything you wanted? Everything you wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we even not wanna even try when I could be everything you wanted? Everything you wanted. Everything you wanted. Everything you I was sitting at a cafe, staring out the window, dreaming of a love like fire. Every moment led me to something, but I never could get higher. I was thinking one day maybe it happened. I believe in the magic, but fairy tales are lies. Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy. Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness, be all that I can be. More freedom, a little less lonely, and love me, and love me. I can be funny, I can be lovely, I can be what you dream of. But I've been patient and I'm sick of waiting. Maybe I just won't find love. Every time I think I met the right guy, then it turns